For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you considering purchasing the DJI Avata, but wondering if it's worth the hype /N? But here's what surprised me about this drone: its incredible capabilities and features that will change the way you capture footage forever /N. Therefore, I'm going to share my hands-on experience with the DJI Avata so you can make an informed decision before buying /N. The DJI Avata is a foldable drone that boasts a range of impressive specs, including a 1.5-inch 48-megapixel sensor, 24 FPS video recording, and a flight time of up to 25 minutes /N. But what's even more exciting is its compact design, making it easy to carry around and store in your backpack or bag /N. Therefore, whether you're a professional filmmaker or an enthusiast looking for a new adventure, the DJI Avata is definitely worth considering. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's dive deeper into the features and performance of this amazing drone /N. The DJI Avata comes equipped with a range of advanced features, including obstacle avoidance, tracking, and stabilization /N. But what really sets it apart from other drones on the market is its ability to achieve incredibly smooth and stable footage in various environments and conditions. So how does the DJI Avata perform in real-world tests /N? In my experience, I was blown away by the drone's impressive flight capabilities and exceptional video quality /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and high-performance drone that can deliver stunning results, look no further than the DJI Avata. But just like any other piece of technology, the DJI Avata isn't without its drawbacks /N. One of the main concerns I had with this drone was its price point. Is it worth the investment /N? Therefore, let's weigh up the pros and cons of the DJI Avata and see if it's the right choice for you. For example, one of the major advantages of the DJI Avata is its exceptional video quality /N. But on the other hand, some users may find the price point to be a bit steep /N. Therefore, it's essential to consider your budget and needs before making a decision. Now that we've discussed the features and performance of the DJI Avata in detail, let's talk about its overall value proposition /N. In my opinion, the DJI Avata is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance drone /N. Therefore, if you're ready to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level, look no further than the DJI Avata. So what's the final verdict on the DJI Avata /N? Is it worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely /N. But before making a purchase, make sure to check out the best price on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below /N.